Unlocking the secrets of closet arrangement. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that touches on both language and everyday life. Closet arrangement. This phrase might seem simple at first glance, but it's packed with meaning and practical applications. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner of English, there's something for everyone to learn. Let's get started. Closet arrangement refers to the way in which items are organized within a closet. A closet, for those who might not be familiar, is a small room or compartment used for storing clothes, shoes, and sometimes other household items. When we talk about closet arrangement, we're discussing how these items are sorted, placed, and maintained in an orderly fashion. This can include the use of shelves, hangers, drawers, and bins to keep everything organized and easily accessible. You might wonder why there's so much emphasis on how a closet is arranged. Well, efficient closet arrangement can save you time, reduce stress, and even help you take better care of your belongings. Imagine trying to find your favorite shirt in a cluttered closet compared to a well-organized one. The difference is night and day. Plus, a neatly arranged closet is pleasing to the eye and can make your daily routine much smoother. Now, let's talk about how you can achieve an effective closet arrangement. Here are some tips. 1. Sort by category. Keep clothes, shoes, accessories, and other items in separate areas. 2. Use storage solutions. Invest in hangers, shelves, boxes, and dividers to maximize space. 3. Seasonal rotation. Arrange your closet based on the season, keeping the most frequently used items at eye level and within easy reach. 4. Regular decluttering. Every few months, go through your closet and decide what to keep, donate, or throw away. This keeps your closet from becoming overcrowded. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at closet arrangement. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of keeping your closet organized and given you some useful tips to apply in your own home. Remember, a well-arranged closet is more than just about neatness. It's about creating a harmonious and functional living space. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.